Now, from the studios of Into Tomorrow in Miami, this is ITTV.
Our next guest's company creates smart products to provide solutions in the kitchen. And a lot of our audience lately has said, we need more smart home, especially smart kitchen stuff. Well, we listen, and we've run across this company that does some really cool things. So I want to welcome the head of marketing with a company called CookingPal, Anna Khomenko. Anna, welcome Into Tomorrow. Thank you for joining us at this late hour for you from Hong Kong. How are you?
Thank you for having me, Dave.
It's a pleasure to have you. Tell me first a little bit about the company CookingPal, and then let's get into the goodies themselves.
Yeah, so the story of CookingPal started 3 years back. This is where our team of engineers, designers, software developers, as well as food enthusiasts got together and started thinking of how can we make food more accessible at the comfort of your own home, So this is where we came up with the concept of all-in-one kitchen appliance that allows you to have five-star quality recipes at the comfort of your own home.
And that's what you're doing. I like how you mentioned being able to have food more readily available, which is good for all of us. And then, of course, good food means it's even more readily available with your company. So you've come up with a very unique product, I'm thinking. Is it called Multo? Is that how you say it?
Exactly. So we're introducing Multo by CookingPal. We call it an intelligent cooking system that allows you to perform over 10 different cooking functions all in one device. So with this is one of a kind type of appliance that is a must-have in your kitchen if you would like to reduce the takeout, cook healthy meals, and get just more versatile with the type of recipes that you cook at home. Because many of us tend to cook same recipes over and over and over again. Now, with the Multo by CookingPal and the recipes that come together with the appliance, you will be able to get as versatile as going to different types of restaurants and having to eat outside.
So it allows us to unlock our inner chef, one of the things that it says on your website, which I think is very clever, and as a smart kitchen appliance. So now what makes it smart? No doubt the connection with the tablet that you mentioned, but what makes it smart? How does it work altogether?
Right. So this is the appliance that allows you, in many ways, it's like a food processor that cooks. Right, so with Multo, you would be able to process all of your ingredients as well as cook them, right? So you would be able to chop onion, garlic, some other aromatics, and then cook them as a base for, the rest of the recipe. It serves as a base for many, many recipes. Now, when it comes to the smart aspect of it, it is truly a one-of-a-kind appliance where it is controlled remotely. So when it comes to the appliance itself, it only has one control button. Oh. And all the rest of the controls are happening through the dedicated tablet that is called Smart Kitchen Hub. Now, the Smart Kitchen Hub is the tablet that you pair it with Bluetooth, connected to Wi-Fi. You get access to unlimited database of recipes that we are going to be updating every week. So we are coming to the market with a promise of 5 new recipes per week, once again, so that you don't need to, stay with the same recipes, but you can get versatile and sort of unlock your inner chef, as we like to say. And then the best part of it is, we are at the very beginning of our journey, right? And we launched the appliance, with so many functions and features as it is right now. But due to the fact that it's smart and it is this IoT appliance, with the tablet, with the software updates, it's only going to be getting better, right? So more cooking modes will be rolled out, more features will be rolled out. We have online shopping on our roadmap. We have user upload of the recipes, right? So not only you're going to be cooking recipes that we sort of provide to you, but also you would be able to upload your own recipes as a user. So it is a truly very exciting appliance that I hope you're going to love as much as we do.
And I want to remind our audience listening on the radio that we have video of the interview with Anna, so you can see the Multo and you can see the Smart Hub. If you're, of course, watching on this video, obviously you're already seeing it. But the point is, visit us at intotomorrow.com so you can check out this CookingPal interview, if you will. Sounds like it's one of these demos that I wish was in our studio here in Miami instead of from Hong Kong, because maybe the staff can be fed afterwards. Give us an idea how you would use it and how the whole Smart Hub works, and you select a recipe, and then I'm assuming it gives you all the ingredients you need so you can prepare them and then put them into this, I guess, cooking pot. Is that how you would describe it?
Yeah, so exactly. So as I was mentioning, right, the appliance comes with the recipes. The recipes come in multiple categories, so you would be able to, like, one of the traditional appliance recipes to cook with this appliance is risotto, or you could be cooking meatballs, or the ramen, or noodles, or mac and cheese, or different types of desserts. So, right, it whip up different shakes and cakes. You know, it has the kneading function. So the functionality is truly, the possibilities of this appliance is truly unlimited. You know, the only thing it doesn't do, it doesn't bake. But then, hey, you can make a dough with it, right? So you can create the base for your pizza, for example, and then just put it on into the oven, and you know, you have your homemade pizza ready.
Nice.
Now, the way it works, you know, we're saying that our guided recipes are a perfect way to learn how the appliance works. Now, it works with the 4 main settings, which are time, speed, temperature, and rotation of the blade. So inside the bowl, it is a 3.1 quart capacity bowl, so it's big enough to cook your whole family, to feed your whole family. Inside the bowl, you have a blade that sort of has individual profiles. So it either chops or gently stirs the ingredients. So you don't need to worry that, you know, it just creates this kind of soupy ingredients. No, it does not. It does much more than that. It comes with a set of accessories, so where you're able to cook at multiple levels, hence the name of the product, right? Multo, because of the multiple functionality.
Right.
So, for example, you would be able to, you know, cook the sauce, tomato sauce, cook your pasta inside the simmering basket inside the bowl, and then on top you attach the steamer, and it's a double level steamer where in the deep steaming tray you would be able to steam your meatballs, for example, and on top you have some of the veggies. So there you go. In half an hour you would be able to have pasta with tomato sauce, with the meatballs, and some veggies on top.
Nice. I mean, you truly are cooking smarter and not harder, it seems, because
Exactly.
the Multo gives you all the ability to do these kinds of things. I can smell the meatballs and everything being prepared even as we speak, even though you're thousands of miles away. What's been the reaction so far to Multo? It's not quite available yet on the market, right?
Well, it almost is.
Almost.
So
Okay.
originally, we launched CookingPal brand. We launched it as a concept during CES last year, and this is where we received such a great response. The market, we did feel like the market truly loved it. Now, obviously, due to pandemic, we had a bit of delay, but now we're at the point when we are collecting pre-orders, and as a matter of fact, as of now, our first orders are already being shipped to the end consumers.
Excellent. Excellent. So this is not a product that is wishful thinking or available sometime into tomorrow. It's available now.
It is available now. Yeah. For us, it's been a very long journey, and we're so excited that we're finally here, and we truly feel like it's a new chapter for us that's opening up. We have our first batch of units in our warehouse in California, ready to be delivered to their happy owners.
Yes, to their happy inner chefs around the world, for that matter, certainly around the country. Now, all these accessories you say are included, the tablet, the cooking hub, etc. It's all included. So what are we talking price-wise here?
So currently we're running pre-orders at the $799 US. This is our launch offer. The price is going to go up in less than a month. So you hurry up, inner chefs.
There you go.
So this is the thing, like at this price, we don't have any hidden costs. All the accessories come together with the appliance. All the recipes are coming without any subscriptions. All the software updates that we'll be rolling out at no additional cost. So we need to understand that it is a truly innovative appliance that we're bringing to the market. We are developing a new product category, if you will, that is only going to be getting better and better.
Terrific. And you don't have to be a chef, right? I mean, even I could use it and make something and have an enjoyable dinner of various courses. Yes.
This is the beauty of the appliance, that you can cook restaurant quality dishes without, being a novice cook. So, especially in the past year, we had so many people that are stuck at home and they're not able, to fix up a quick meal. And many of us, we would tend to eat not necessarily the most healthy dishes. Now, just because, you have certain limitations, you don't know how to cook, you don't know, you're sort of intimidated around the cooking process and you just don't know where to start. Now, with Multo and the guided recipes, you don't need to know how to cook. You literally just follow step-by-step recipes. They're photo and video guided, so we're showing you exactly what to do so you can't go wrong. All the settings are already preset. The only thing you need to do, add ingredients into the bowl, hit the start button, and within half an hour, depending on the recipe, obviously, you have a meal ready.
I'm loving that. Now, I'm sure that you, Anna, have made many different dishes with the Multo. There's got to be a favorite, or was that what you described earlier, the pasta with meatballs and veggies and that sort of thing? Or do you have a couple of favorites that you always go to make for your family?
Yes, well, you're absolutely right, Dave. We are cooking in this office. We're cooking almost on a daily basis. There is not a lunch in our office where it's not whipped up with Multo. Wow. And as a matter of fact, we often go around one pot recipe. For example, just earlier today, I've been cooking potatoes with salmon and some asparagus. So Whoa. Potatoes we're cooking here inside the simmering basket. Then we would have a salmon steak inside the steamer and some of the asparagus on top.
Oh, I'm glad now that you've shown the steamer going on top of the main unit, because now I get it. I see how it would steam, and thus all of these various accessories. Boy, you've got to come see the video at intotomorrow.com to get the big picture about how all these things work together. That's awesome.
Exactly. So aside from this, right, you have the simmering basket and the dedicated spatula that's, with the dedicated hook, it makes it easy to take it out from the bowl when the handle gets hot. We also have a butterfly whisk that's, for whipping cream or whisking egg whites. So you can create all sort of sauces and beautiful textures, mousses, using this one appliance.
So you can also whip it good. So I'm getting hungry at all the things you're talking about. It's truly amazing. We invite our audience to visit CookingPal.com, just like it sounds, CookingPal.com. Look at the Multo, M-U-L-T-O, and all these cool accessories. You guys have thought of everything. Anna, you're a delight to chat with. We wish you well and anxious to learn more. I'm sure that you have other things in mind into tomorrow. Perhaps you'll introduce even other products that we'll just have to talk about.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
It's our pleasure. Again, Anna with CookingPal.com. We'll get you there, of course, when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. I'm Dave Graveline, bringing you further into tomorrow. Stay tuned right here on the Advanced Media Network.